Good morning.
I'm so fucking tired.
Are you? There's a box in that trunk to the left. And go in there and find the long sleeve. It's yours.
Hey, let's go.
That's what we're talking about, bro.
I heard you. Good looking.
Yeah.
Why? Whole gang shit, my man Dale Decker on the camera right now.
What day is it?
It's fucking Memorial Day, man.
Look at this shit. This
Shout out
shit
to
is
the troops.
packed.
Shout out to all the troops. Woo! Back to back.
Is that one worse than the first one?
We're doing better. That was worth it.
Damn.
That's how it's done. Yes, sir.
Gross. Alright, so Dan and I are in a contest to see who can backtail the quarter pipe farther. And I was doing it on my board. He claimed that my wheels were harder than his wheels. So we switched boards, and now I'm doing it farther than he is.
No, you're not.
On my
I'm
board.
winning right now.
Dude, we're neck and neck. Alright, not farther. I'm not farther. We're neck and neck. We're tied. Alright, go. We're gonna let them decide because
We
we
get
can't
3
figure
tries
out.
each. 3 tries each.
3 tries?
Yeah.
Well, 3 lands. We gotta have 3 lands.
Okay, 3 lands.
Yeah. Ooh, that was pretty long.
Now he's nervous. He's nervous. It went from over here all the way over and lined up.
All right, so we switched our boards back. Dan's stuck on his board really fucking hard the first time. So see how my board works for me.
It's gonna slide really good.
I don't know if I'm ready.
Now he admits that my wheels are fucking too sticky for this backtail.
Okay, so I'll give it to you. My wheels are better than yours.
Thank you. I already admitted that to the camera. That you admit that you understand that my wheels will not backtail this thing as good.
I was still going as far as you on your board when you were going on mine. So here.
No, I won.
Here. You won with the advantage of my board.
Okay, we'll do it on your board
And
now.
I have the disadvantage of yours.
Listen to us bicker.
I think he put his wrist down weird.
Why is that harder?
Ziggy, can you get the fuck out of the way, dude? That was awful. Okay, so we have a date for the drop. I showed it in the last video that I posted. I think actually 2 videos ago, and that date is June 21st. I believe it's a Friday. It is Go Skate Day. That is the day of the drop from Spring Summer Part 2. Each drop just gets better and better because I feel like what I try to do is up the quality each time as much as I possibly can. The biggest thing about this drop is the fact that we got to venture into new territory with the shorts, the handbag, and the new accessory that I'm gonna show you guys this week. If everything goes according to plan and I project off of the last drop, things are gonna sell out very, very quickly. Last time, things sold out like faster than they ever have for us. It was the best drop yet. Every single drop has gotten better and better, not only with the quality, but with like how much you guys are supporting and how much people are just into it now. It's so amazing that like what the brand is becoming and what the brand is today versus what it was when I first started it. So thank you guys so much for supporting it. I'm gonna try and keep this brief. I'm strongly considering starting a Patreon. Now, everything that is made from the Patreon is gonna go back into the channel and it's gonna go back into the brand. I want to know what kinds of perks and things you guys would like to see on the Patreon. I've got 3 ideas. One is 1 vlog a week where it's gonna be a more behind the scenes of my life, the brand, and the channel. 2 is 1 live stream a month where you get to ask me like more in-depth questions and it's gonna be like a more intimate experience. Same with the vlogs too. That's gonna be a much more intimate experience because I can also put things in the vlogs that are not allowed on YouTube. And the big one is exclusive drops from Slammin' and early access to drops from Slammin'. So with the exclusive drops, it's going to only be available to patrons, and the early access, you'll get it like a day before everyone else has access to it. So if something's like gonna sell out, you guys will be the first to get it. And the exclusive drops will not ever be available to the public, only exclusive to the Patreons. I'll like set up a link to where you guys only can purchase those items. And if you would support this, leave a comment down below and let me know why. And if you would not support this, please leave a comment down below and let me know why. But anyway, thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for supporting.